Friends, still thinking to start your own manufacturing unit? But you are confused, huh? Large capital requirements, high competition or less ROI. But you want to become an industry leader. Still, in your mind, you are searching a product and launching the product, and you want to cover the market and build your own business empire. But there is a problem in the strategy. You know that what? If you want to out from your confusion, just search the right market where your product have demands. Search a country where your product have demand but they have less manufacturing unit. Definitely you are going to make money in that country. Means what I want to say, come out from your comfort zone and start your international business, start your industry, start your factory, start your manufacturing unit in a country where they have less manufacturers. They are importing a lot of goods, but they don't have factories. There is still a lot of gap in the market. Then start your unit in that country and get benefits of tax holidays, cheap labor, lot of other benefits and like raw materials, plant machinery, everything will be free. Choose African continent. We are helping a lot of people, friends. This is Opesh Singh. We are working in Africa since 15 years and we are helping a lot of companies to invest in Africa, especially in manufacturing segment, as well as I have my own detergent manufacturing unit in a country, Rwanda. You also start a factory like that in African continent where you can make money. At least you can double your money. Your factory will give you the funds regularly, consistently, and great ROI. Think you have a unit in a country where only 2 or 3 or 4 manufacturers for your products. Definitely you can launch your brand and you can cover the market gap. So think wisely, think through time. Start your international business, guys. I am always with you.